Building a fortress that can survive decades of severe abuse requires an uncompromising foundation, and the 2025 Toyota 4Runner proves that true body-on-frame engineering is far from obsolete. At the absolute core of this highly anticipated sport utility vehicle is a robust 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, engineered to produce a solid 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This forced induction power plant is paired with a heavy-duty 8-speed automatic transmission that completely changes the acceleration profile of the vehicle. Looking at the factory estimates, this combination pushes the heavy chassis from 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 7.5 seconds, delivering confident highway passing power. When evaluating its utility, the rear cabin provides approximately 1,300 liters of cargo space behind the second row, ensuring massive capacity for tools, overlanding equipment, or family luggage. Analyzing the exterior design reveals a vehicle sculpted around its structural hardpoints to maximize ground clearance and aerodynamic efficiency. The high-mounted front bumper features a blunt, aggressive grille designed to force maximum air into the cooling systems, while sleek LED headlamps cut cleanly through the wind. Engineers have utilized high-strength, laser-welded steel blanks throughout the body, allowing the exterior to maintain its iconic, boxy silhouette while subtly improving the drag coefficient through integrated front air curtains and functional roofline spoilers. The wide track stance is supported by robust alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 20 inches, housed beneath heavily flared fenders that protect the body from kicked-up trail debris. Inside the cabin, the layout is incredibly functional and deeply integrated with the chassis technology. The materials are specifically chosen for long-term durability, with soft-touch surfaces replacing cheap plastics. A central 8-inch or available massive 14-inch touchscreen sits high on the dashboard, providing critical vehicle telemetry and wireless smartphone integration. The driver interface includes a customizable 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and standard advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control and lane departure alert, seamlessly integrated into the structural safety cell of the cabin. Evaluating the driving dynamics strictly on paper reveals the true magic of the new global TNGA-F truck platform. The traditional, heavy solid rear axle setup has been heavily revised with a newly developed multi-link rear coil suspension. This fundamental engineering shift drastically increases the torsional rigidity of the frame, meaning the structural flex that used to cause squeaks and unstable handling is virtually eliminated. On paved roads, the vehicle promises a deeply planted, refined, and stable ride, absorbing highway expansion joints and severe city potholes without transferring the impact shock into the passenger area. Off the pavement, the stiff-boxed steel frame acts as a rigid backbone, allowing the sophisticated suspension geometry and the available electronic locking rear differential to push the wheels down into deep ruts for maximum traction. This chassis overhaul ensures that the vehicle delivers a modern, comfortable daily driving experience, while preserving the legendary mechanical invincibility it is famous for.